How to explore Discord public servers on mobile. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Before, you used to have this option on Discord beside servers below plus button, but now you can only click on plus button and join a server with an invited link. So what you need to do is go to Chrome and search discord.com. Click on the search URL option, and then there is slash after com. You need to add login and press on enter. After that, you'll find three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Then make sure there is tick mark in desktop side. After that, on the left side below plus button, there's a button like compass. Click on it. And then you'll be able to find all the public servers. Simply click on the one you want to join. After you click on the one you want to join, you will be joined in the server. And this is how to explore Discord public servers on mobile. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.